So do you want to feel fabulous for summer? Well, if the answer is yes, then you are gonna love this workout. So this is an 11-minute no jumping calorie burning cardio workout. I'm gonna be toning you all over. You are gonna love this workout. So we don't need any equipment. I'm gonna do it with you in real time. All I would say is if you haven't already done a warm up, hit pause, march on the spot for 30 seconds. And when you're ready, I'm ready to start training you. And you know what? I think we're gonna train somewhere really nice today. We're gonna go to a lovely sunny beach. So we're going to get straight into it. Arms up, we go 2 knee lifts and then 2 step backs with the arms pushing forward. So we're doing this for a duration of 60 seconds. And how it is going to work today, you have got 4 different specially designed cardio moves I've created that are all about working your entire body. This is where we're going to get amazing results. And we're going to do the first round, 60 seconds of each of the 4 moves. Then the second round, we do it 45 seconds, third round 25, and the last round is 20 seconds. So it's going to fly by today, and this is about getting you the best results. So let's just keep going. So we're doing those 2 knee lifts, alternating knee lifts, and then you step that foot back and push those arms in front. So you can see here, you're working your arms, you're working your legs. We're also working through your core as well, because your core is having to help with stabilization, especially as we do those knee lifts. All right, that's good. And let's just keep that going. Last 10 seconds of this first move. That's good. And as said, I'm going to work you from lots of different angles today as well. So for the next move, move number 2, this time now, arms up, and we're just going to lunge over to one side, aim to touch the hand down to the ground, and then go to the other side. Reach the arms up in the center. So again, this one, 60 seconds. So the benefit here, what I'm doing is I'm working you through a lateral movement, and that lateral movement now is going to really target your inner and outer thighs, and then you reach up nice and tall. So we don't need to do jumping exercises to get a high intensity workout. So this one here, we're working a nice full range, and really step that out as wide as you can. That's good. And reach up tall. All right, that's good. So we've got less than 30 seconds on this move. Now, so this is from my Feel Fabulous for Summer. So this is actually a 4-week training program. It's completely free, and I've designed you a little download booklet that you can get, which also has some healthy recipes in it. And definitely follow it. You've got a tick chart and telling you what workouts to do every single day. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. And we've got those last 5 seconds coming up from now. Reach up, step it over. That's good. 2 and 1. So move number 3, for this one, we're going to go straight leg kicks for 4, and then we're going to do a waist bend for 4, and we're just going to keep alternating sets of 4. All right, so let's do those straight leg kicks. So the benefit here with this one, really good for working the abs, and then this one also works through your waist, and again, do 4 sets. So straight leg kicks, keep those tummy muscles pulled in as you draw those legs up, and then as you do those side reaches, feel that through those waist muscles. All right, that's good, keeping that going. So the key thing with this one is really think about the area working. So really pull in your belly button tight to the spine, so you're engaging that deepest abdominal muscle known as the transverse abdominis. And when you do these reaches, really reach down as far as you can to the side. That's good, and keep those tummy muscles put in straight as you kick that leg up. Good. And all right, well done. So we've got last 15 seconds coming up, and then we're going to be on to move 4. So there are just 4 moves today. All right, that's good. And let's just go last 5 from now. 5, take it 4, go 3, 2 and 1. So for the last move, this one now, imagine you've got a bow and arrow and you're going to pull your leg back. So we're going to do that for 8 counts for me. So just join in. Then when you've done 8, what we're going to do now is we're going to reach the arms up and step that foot out for 8. All right, that's good. And we're then going to go back to, once you've done your 8, take it to that bow and arrow and just keep alternating. So I'm challenging you a lot here today with doing lots of different movements, but this is how we're really going to get amazing results. And on the second round, you will be more familiar with the moves. All right, that's good. So do it in your own time. You're doing sets of 8 with this one. So we do that pull back. So this is toning and sculpting through your upper body, plus we're working through the glutes and through the legs. Then the next move, when we take the arms up, we're working the shoulders, and we're working the inner and the outer thighs, and we're keeping that heart rate constantly raised. All right, doing really well. And let's go last 10 seconds from now. And just pull that arm back as far as you can. That's good. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So we're now going to repeat that all again, but this time round 2, we're just doing it for 45 seconds. So give me 2 knee lifts and then push those arms out as you step that foot back. That's good. Just keeping that going. Doing really well. That's good. And push and extend. So knee comes up, alternating the knee. And really keep those moves nice and controlled. That's good. We've got less than 30 seconds to go on this second round. So think of all the joints you're working here. The more joints you work in a movement, then the more muscle groups that you're toning and sculpting. So we're working through your wrists, your elbows, your shoulders, your knees, your hips, and your ankle joints. So we are literally working everywhere. All right, that's good. Let's just keep that going. You've got your last 5 seconds for me now. 4, take it 3, go 2 and 1. So we're going back to move number 2, round 2, and let's reach that over. Arms come up, step it across, reach up nice and tall and take that over. So we've got that lateral lunge. So here now I'm really specifically targeting into your adductors and abductors, which are known as your inner and outer thighs. Reach the arms up, go from one side to the other. That's good, doing really well. Okay, and just think of it, each move that we're doing, we're getting closer to the end of the workout, but you are going to feel so good for this. This is all about making you feel fabulous for summer. And let's just go, last 10 seconds are coming up from now. So we just reach it up and then travel that across from one side to the other, feeling that through those thighs. 4, let's go 3 and take it 2 and 1. So we're back now to the next move, which is doing our 4 straight leg kicks. Then we're going to go 4 of those waist bends. So the waist bends here, what they're doing is they are working your internal, external and external obliques. So this is what really helps shape the waist. This is first move. The straight leg kicks really helps to strengthen through your core and work your abs. All right, that's good, and just keeping that going. So the key thing is when you're doing those straight leg kicks, do make sure you keep your upper body nice and straight for me. Reach from one side to the other. That's good. Kick and then take it to the side. And make sure you've got your knees slightly bent while you're doing that move. So you've just got last 10 seconds on this one. So this is round 2. So we are flying through this workout. Let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. All right, so for exercise 4 on round 2, this time we're doing your bow and arrow pull back arms for 8. And then you're going to just do those 8 side tap, foot extend out and arm pushes up. That's good. All right, well done. So we're just constantly moving your body. We're not taking any breaks today. This is where this 11-minute no jumping cardio is going to really get you great results. And it's such a safe workout to do. All right, that's good. We're not putting any pressure through any joints. So it's a healthy way to look after your body. And let's just go last 10 seconds coming up from now. And with every exercise, work through your fullest range of motion as well when you're doing it. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So we are now on round 3, but this time we're just doing 25 seconds. So we go straight into your knee lifts. Push those arms in front, double knee lift for me and push those feet back. That's good, keeping that going. All right, well done. Let's just think how fabulous we want to feel this summer. And remember, every single one of us, our bodies are beautiful already. My point is I want to get you healthy and fit and feeling super confident. All right, that's good. Let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So for move 2, we're going to reach up and then take it over to the side. Do that lateral lunge for me. So we're targeting the abductors and adductors. That's good. And also these exercises are great. They're helping increase your flexibility. They're also great for coordination and balance. And we've got last 10 seconds coming up from now. Reach up tall, take it over. And then let's go last 5, take that 4. And then 3, let's go 2 and 1. Okay, so we are now move 3, so straight leg kicks for 4. Remember, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight, and then we're going to reach, do that waist bend for 4 and keep alternating. That's good. So straight legs, kick them up, and you'll find you become more flexible with this move and then feel that through the waist, doing really well. That's good. And then take it back to those 4 straight leg kicks. And then let's take it to those 4 waist bends. 2 and 1. All right, so move 4. Let's go for your bow and arrow and pull that back for 8 counts for me. And then we're going to do your 8 reaches up to the sky and then do that side tap with the foot. So you reach up. That's good. Doing really well. All right, and we've got last 10 seconds coming up from now. And that's good. Let's go 10. Take it 9 and 8, 7, 6 and 5. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we are now on the final round today. Just 20 seconds is going to fly by. So arms up, let's go straight into those double knee lifts and tap back. That's good. And 2 knees and tap back. And just keep going. So you can see the timer here. Last little bit. And remember, this is part of my summer Feel Fabulous for Summer challenge. So definitely download the program because you can then get the full workout. So let's go now. Move 2 and take it to the side. Reach arms up from one side to the other. Keeping that going. Last round today of doing this exercise. And reach up. And this fun challenge, you have this workout to do for the next 6 days. Plus, I suggest in your training guide you get a workout as well to do, which is either working the abs, arms, the legs, and all is explained in your training guide. All right, that's good. And let's go for move 3, straight leg kick for 4, and then take it to the waist bend. That's good. And you can download this. And you can see here, so you've got all the different workouts and you get a tick list as well. Let's just keep going. Do 4 to the side. Really good. Last little bit on this one. Remember, keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. So last exercise today. Let's go for doing alternating sets of 8 of each. So as I said, if you've got any questions about the challenge, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, do download this because you've got a full training plan. This is all completely free. I don't need your email. Simply download it and follow along. And guess what? You will then feel fabulous for summer. So there is your high five. You did it. Well done. So what I would say is just march on the spot for say 20 seconds, get your heart rate down. And don't forget, definitely head down to the description down below and get your free training guide. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Definitely share it. And then I will see you back on my channel tomorrow for another workout. And click up here and come over and do my cool down stretch with me now.